Welcome to 2025 with Titan Marine Air. Starting the year strong from our new, fully equipped premises in Hollywood, Florida, we're ready to provide top-quality marine solutions tailored to your needs. From advanced installations to expert maintenance and repairs, Titan Marine Air specializes in the sales, service, and installation of the following: marine AC, marine refrigeration, Watermakers, custom-designed AC plants, duct cleaning, and yacht insulation. Whether you're shopping in-store or online, enjoy fast delivery of premium parts and accessories, both locally and international. With our expert team of technicians, we ensure your systems are always performing at their best. Your comfort is our priority. Thank you for choosing Titan Marine Air. Let's make 2025 a year of smooth sailing, reliability, and marine solutions you can count on. Visit us today at 4097 North 28th Way, Hollywood, Florida, or on our website at titanmarineair.com. Call 954-406-3015. We're here for you, wherever your journey takes you.